Using rent to build credit is a great way to establish or improve your credit score, especially if you are a renter. Historically, rent payments were not reported to the major credit bureaus, but this has changed in recent years. Now, you can use your rent payments to build credit. First, you need to check if your landlord or property manager reports rent payments to the credit bureaus. If they do not, you can look into third-party services that can report your rent payments on your behalf. These services may charge a fee, but they can help you build credit. Once you have found a way to report your rent payments, make sure to pay your rent on time every month. Late payments can negatively affect your credit score, so it is crucial to make timely payments. You can set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. It is also important to understand how rent payments affect your credit score. Rent payments are considered non-traditional credit, and they may not have as much weight as traditional credit payments, such as mortgage or credit card payments. However, making on-time rent payments can still help you establish a positive credit history. In addition to making on-time payments, you should also monitor your credit report to ensure your rent payments are being reported correctly. You can request a free credit report from each of the major credit bureaus once a year, and you should review it carefully to ensure there are no errors. To get the most out of using rent to build credit, you should also consider other ways to build credit, such as making on-time payments on other bills, keeping credit utilization low, and avoiding new credit inquiries. By combining these strategies, you can build a strong credit profile and improve your overall financial health. Overall, using rent to build credit is a great way to establish or improve your credit score, especially if you are a renter. By reporting your rent payments, making on-time payments, and monitoring your credit report, you can build a positive credit history and improve your financial future.